Welcome to Milwaukee OATS, your community-driven screen printing hub, where creativity meets purpose. At Milwaukee OATS, we're more than just a printing service, we're a passionate team dedicated to making a difference in our vibrant city. Here we believe in the power of collaboration and the impact of giving back. Our mission is to support local businesses, organizations, and initiatives that make a positive change in our community. Today we are honored to be working with the amazing organization, She Slangs Wood, an inspiring force behind empowering women in carpentry and woodworking. She Slangs Wood stands for empowerment, inclusivity, and skill building. Their commitment to empowering women and breaking barriers in traditionally male-dominated fields is nothing short of remarkable. As Milwaukee OATS, we are proud to be the chosen partner for She Slangs Wood as we create custom, high-quality hoodies that echo their values and passion. Our team of skilled artisans combines precision and creativity to craft each hoodie with the utmost care and attention to detail. By choosing Milwaukee OATS for your screen printing needs, you're not only supporting a local business, but you're also contributing to the positive transformation of our community. Whether it's printing apparel for nonprofits, sports teams, businesses, or events, we put our heart into every project, just like we've done for She Slangs Wood. So let's make a lasting impact together. Whether you need custom apparel for your organization or want to join us in supporting incredible causes, choose Milwaukee OATS. Embrace the quality, embrace the purpose, and join us in uplifting our community one print at a time. Screen printing with the heart for a better tomorrow.